here is a close look at the Gain Flings. If you're curious, this particular pack comes with 16 of these nice little pods. Kind of cute, if I must admit. They are 3-in-1. They definitely have a great smell to them, and they do a great job at cleaning. If you're curious, here's some more info. Go ahead and pause if you want to take a closer look at all of that. And here are our additional pods. There are more in here. There were more. Of course, I have used some of them, so just keep that in mind. My only complaint with this product isn't actually the pods themselves, it's just this packaging here. So it's this child safety lock thing, and honestly it's kind of confusing. So the zipper is a little bit annoying, but overall I would definitely recommend the Gain Flings. They do a great job at cleaning your laundry, don't leave any residue. They absorb very nicely. Overall, yeah, I would definitely recommend them if you're looking for some nice laundry detergent pods to make your laundry doing all the easier.